I've washed it once since I bought it.
Washed it once? Oh, you've... Yes guys, so we're back. Thank you for tuning in. I've got a crazy one for you today. So we've had someone in the comments for the last year trolling us saying the tyres aren't dirty, come over to the BVI, just kept on calling us out. So I thought I'd reach out to her and say what does she mean by the BVI, and she come back saying the British Virgin Islands. So I thought it was a bit of a joke and didn't really think anyone would push the YouTube and stuff like that. It's crazy that the interaction's actually happening. She sent me her phone number, so I thought, shit, this actually could be true. But we're gonna ring her now and let's see what she has to say, because I'm a bit lost for words. I don't really know what to say, so I just thought I'd put the camera on while I'm ringing her. Yeah, just because it's a bit of a mad one, so I'm going to put her on the phone now. 1 second.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Is that Annie J?
Who's asking?
It's Johnny from Manchester Mobile Auto Clean.
Oh my goodness. The man
Yeah, I
that
bet you
makes
didn't
the
think I would
videos.
ring you, would you?
No, I did not.
So
What a surprise.
so we've had all your comments, we've read them, and I think we're ready for your challenge. And I just want to know if it's a joke or not, or we're being serious.
If you are up to coming to the BVI to clean my car, I'm up for the challenge, and the challenge is there. And in return, we'll give you a complimentary car while you're here, which will be a Grand Vitara Suzuki. So you'll have a transportation while you're here.
Right, so...
So you're up for the challenge, are you?
No, we're up for it, 100%. It'll just be me making the trip out.
Oh, just yourself?
Yeah.
Are
Yeah.
you bringing your cleaning equipment with you?
I'll have my little bag of surprises. I'm going to have to. But if you've got a jet wash over there, that'll probably help the matter.
Well, we'll see what we can get for you. It might not be what you call a jet washer because we're obviously very American here.
Right, so I'm just going to pressure washer.
Power washer.
Yeah, pressure washer. Yeah, you're right. Right, well, yeah,
So when do you think you're arriving here? When can we expect you?
Well, I'm looking to take the challenge up. The weather's gone cold in England now, so it's time. I'm going to have a look at flights and stuff, and we'll get it all sorted and get the flights booked, and then...
Well, do check out there's no hurricanes passing by us, won't you? Because we're still in hurricane season. We're near the end, though. It shouldn't be too bad for you.
Yeah, we don't want to get blown away washing any cars.
We won't let you do that with the hurricanes.
Right, well, if this isn't a joke, so 100%, so it's not a joke.
For the challenge, I have 5 cars for you. If you think you can take them on,
5 cars. Let's get it.
all different vehicles, and then I have 1 surprise vehicle with 4 wheels. Whether you're up for that challenge or not, I don't know.
Oh, the surprise, the mystery vehicle.
That's the mystery 4-wheel vehicle.
Oh, let's have it. Well,
But that's a big challenge on its own.
Right, well, yeah, let's get it. I'll get my flights booked. I just want to know 100%, is this not a joke before I book my...
No jokes, sir. I don't issue challenges with jokes.
Right, perfect. Well, if you could send me through...
I have to say that seeing you cleaning those tyre wheels on the videos, they all look clean to start with, which is why I'm issuing you a challenge. You up to cleaning a dirty wheel?
We will get them as dirty as you can, and we'll have to show you how we can do it. So, I'm up for the challenge.
Fascinating to know. Yeah. I'll take your challenge. I've issued it. You want to take it? That's good by me.
Perfect. Let's do it. Well, next time I see you, I'll be knocking on at your front door.
You'll be knocking on my front door. Well, I'll be looking forward to that.
Right, well, I'll see you then.
All right, sir. Thank you for calling.
No worries. Bye-bye.
I'm looking forward to seeing you. See if Manchester Mobile can really do it.
We've got it. We've got this one in the bag. How many, just a quick one, how far away is the British Virgin Islands?
Where are you now, in Manchester?
Yeah, Manchester.
I'd say about 5,500 miles.
Jeez. Right, well, it's definitely the furthest I've ever travelled to clean a car, so
Well,
it's gonna break the books.
Really surprised.
But
just make sure you don't carry liquids on the aeroplane. They won't let you carry bottles of liquid carrying on in your luggage, in your carry-on luggage. Don't put them in your carry-on luggage. You have to pack them in your suitcase.
in the suitcase. Okay, yeah.
All right, heads up.
No pre-washing the hand luggage then.
No, nothing in the hand luggage because any liquids will be taken off you.
Alright, okay, we'll touch base again then. If you could send me a few more details on the WhatsApp, just where I need to book my flights to and everything, I'll get them booked. Hit you back
I'll
up.
send you the address so you can come and knock on the door.
Perfect. Well, we'll see you soon then.
All right, you take care.
You too. See you on the other side. Well, it looks like we're going to the British Virgin Islands, guys. This is no joke either, so when you see this, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I want to go all over the world. And I thought, you know what? She's asking for a challenge in the comments. We always like pulling out someone out the comment section, and we're going to the British Virgin Islands. I'll see you in the airport. Yeah. So we made it to Antigua, and this is the little plane we're riding on. Oh shit. So yeah guys, we're out in the BVI to clean a car. I can't actually believe it's happened. If you're liking the video so far, drop a like, comment, share, whatever. If you're in a different country as well and you want me to come over to you, let's make it happen, man. We've got a few trips this year. I'm not going to say too much, but we've got Amsterdam, Sweden, maybe Miami if we can get the followers up a bit more. We're going to hold back on that trip until we're a bit bigger. But yeah, I hope you're enjoying it. Stay tuned, drop that subscribe, let's go. Right, so we're just getting the bag packed to go over to Anne's. So we bought the not the jet wash, we bought the wash mitt with us. We bought a drying towel, big up Jewel Auto Care as well. They sponsored the whole video. Bahama Blue, it's only right if we're in the Caribbean. We got Nitty Gritty, we're going to put it to the test. We're going to put Nitty Gritty to the test on the other side of the world. So, and then we bought a little protection for him because it's hurricane season coming up. The weather's tropical, so it's raining, sunny. Get ready for this one, guys. So let's get it all packed. I actually can't believe this is happening, to be honest. I didn't think I would get a shout from being in Manchester just doing YouTube videos to actually, you know, when you feel like it's a bit of a joke. I don't know, I thought it was a bit of a joke, but I'm actually here now in the hotel setting off to go do this car. Crazy. So yeah, I wonder what car they've got. They've not told me what cars are there, so it's even more of a surprise. Got a little Kirkland's cough. I couldn't bring too much, but to be fair, I got a lot over in the suitcase. Big up Jewel for the drying towel. We're gonna need this. But yeah, let's go. Right, so we're nearly here. Let's go. Come on. All the way from Manchester to the British Virgin Islands in the Caribbean. We're finally here, so we're gonna go meet Anne Jackson off YouTube. commenting dirty cars, so we're going to actually see if she's got a dirty car. She's not told us what car yet, so it'll be good to see. This is oh yeah, just look. I think this is the one. It's a big boy. Oh, let's get it. I don't actually know how we're going to get hold of her because I've got no signal. I might just have to jump in. Yeah, I've not even thought. Oh, righty. Yeah. It's a bit spooky, isn't it? Oh. Oh. Watch the gate. It's going to get you. Right, so this is exciting. I don't actually know what's going to happen here. Let's go. So she wasn't actually full of it. This looks like the car she said I could have. I'll be skirting that round soon. How are we then?
Good, you?
Yeah, I'm good, thank you. So this the challenge then?
Yeah.
It is indeed. Thank you.
This is the challenge. You think you can take this beast on?
Yeah, 100%.
What do you reckon, half an hour, 45 minutes?
Give me an hour.
No,
Give me an hour. It's a bit hot, so we're going to have to cool it down. I've got the tools in the bag.
Yeah, there you go.
So we're getting on. What's that?
People saying I'm just throwing it
Ah, it's a beast this. So what have we got here then? What is it?
Chevy Silverado 2500. 6.6 litre V8 turbo diesel. 910 foot-pounds of torque. Used for pulling big boats in and out of the water.
So is that what you do then, the boat?
Yeah.
Right. I'll have to get out in it then.
Yeah, definitely.
The size of me, look how big it is compared to me.
It's got a few dings and scratches, but
Yeah, we'll stay away from that side. Bring it back to this side.
I was going to say this is the good side. Still got a few scratches on this side, but it's
Coming up.
impossible. It's impossible to drive something this big on the island without scratching it.
Oh yeah, it's needed with all the big hills.
Yeah,
We just had to walk up from the main village, so bit of a mooch, but we got here. See how dirty it is as well. We've got the bag of goodies.
I think I've washed it once since I bought it.
Washed it once. Oh, you've definitely put me to a challenge there.
It took me like 5 hours, and I'm like, I'm never doing this again.
No, I could imagine,
Such a pain in the ass.
and especially in this heat as well.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a bit different to Manchester, UK. But nice one for having me, guys. Can't actually believe I'm here, to be honest. And yeah, so we better get cracking. Get the jet wash set up and go. Right, so let's get cracking. Thank you to Jewel Auto Care, who's bought all the products for me, sponsored the trip. We bought the Nitty Gritty Bahama Blue. We're going to stick a protection on it as well, oxide, and we're going to leave Anne with the drying towel and the mitt. That's yours now, Anne. And we're going to test these dirty wheels out you've been going on about. Alright, let's go.
Show the dirty wheels.
So these are the famous BVI tyres. Pretty dirty. I'll give it a she wasn't lying, guys. Look at the dirt. So we are gonna take we're gonna test the Nitty Gritty to the max here. And look at this. Honestly guys, I can't believe how big it is. Check how big it is. I've still got a lie. I might have to ask him for a little step ladder. He's got a nasty little scratch. But it is what it is. We're gonna make it brand new, guys, so get ready.